This is Dutch for Dude Weather with a special spring snowstorm alert. Okay, Twin Cities, it's been a very, very long winter. And now we're almost halfway through April. The highs are supposed to be around 60. It's supposed to be sunny. It should be nice. But instead, we're going to get a big fucking snowstorm today. Today's forecast calls for cloudy skies. Highs are going to be around 34. Lows will be around 23. Winds will be from the northeast at 15 to 25 miles per hour. And we could see 8 to 12 inches of snow. Yeah, 8 to 12 inches. That's a porno dick worth of snow. But more importantly, today there's a 95% chance that you will finally lose your shit. Yeah, this storm is going to push a lot of people over the edge. Here, let's take a look at the storm and see how it's going to affect you. Okay, the areas in blue will see intense and prolonged alcohol and drug abuse. The areas in pink will see scattered psychotic episodes and delusions. And the areas in green will see fits of depression and uncontrollable sobbing. And as you can tell by the size of the storm, the entire southern half of Minnesota is under a suicide watch. Alright, Twin Cities, it looks like we're fucked again. So call in sick to work, stay home, stay drunk, and try to keep your toe off the trigger. This is Dutch for Dude Weather.
Oh, Bob, we love you and always thinking of you.